Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ATNM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line notations are coming from. And things were not looking very good at all. But now, with the way the afternoon went, sets up a very interesting setup here going into next week. Just a little bit of context here for those of you that maybe didn't watch the video from Thursday. But I talked about that being a key level of support. And then this morning, the price broke down below it. And after that, the price was moving down and down and down. But then all of a sudden, that's where things started to really turn around. Price went sideways for a little bit. And then essentially spent the rest of the day working its way back upwards, so much so that it was able to get back up above the green line there at 41 cents, which now, don't get me wrong, none of this means that for sure guaranteed this thing's exploding back up to 50 cents next week. My point here is it's at least a valid, it's at least a rational thought to have that, hey, you know what, maybe things are getting turned around, maybe there's some sort of, continuation of this little miniature trend that was formed. And first off, if that's going to occur, well then by definition, you don't want to see the price dropping back below 41 cents, right? Because if the price dropped below 41 cents, that would imply that this uptrend, well, is no longer an uptrend. So not trying to insult your intelligence, but just to keep us all on the same page, 41 cents is very important for that reason. And then just as far as, next kind of roadblocks that'll need to be cleared, it just goes back to the levels that I've talked about previously. First key level right there at 44 cents as resistance, and the next key level after that would be up there at that next level, which sits up around the 47 cent mark, which, up around right here. So keep an eye on that. But overall, like I said, with the way things started off, not looking good at all. And then with the way things ultimately turned out, a very interesting scenario here. So we'll see if the price can, continue to build upon this uptrend early next week or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.